Hey there, everybody, and welcome back for another reaction and analysis video. Today, we're going to be checking out the awesome family group again, Mission Souls, and they're going to be doing a cover of Dire Straits' Tunnel of Love. Don't forget to check out that description down below. I'm going to have a link down there for their official YouTube channel. Please go check them out. They are amazing. There will also be a link down there on ways you can buy their music and help support them. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this music today down in the comments section.
Tattoo, and I'll be writing on a ghost train where the cars they scream and slam, and I don't know where I'll be tonight, but I'd always tell you where I am. In the screaming ring of faces, I see her standing in the light. She had a ticket for the races, yeah, just like me, she was a victim of the night. I put my hand up on a lever, said let her rock and let her roll. I had the one-arm bandit fever. There was an arrow through my heart and my soul. And the big wheel keep on turning, neon burning up above, and I'm just high on the world. Come on and take a low ride with me, girl, on the tunnel of love. Yeah, love. It's just a danger.
Man, you can't help but smile sitting here listening to these young people play this music. They are incredible musicians. I mean, I haven't heard this song in the longest time, but I can tell it sounds like it. They've got their guitars and all the effects and everything dialed in. I mean, it's right on there, you know. It sounds like Mark Knopfler's playing, guitar. I noticed the girl that played keyboard in the last video, the jump video, she's on bass. People told me in the comments that when the kids are just playing and the dad's not playing bass, that she jumps on bass. Great job there. I mean, you guys told me these are multi-instrumentalists, and boy, they are just so good at whatever they choose to play.
On the tunnel of love, yeah, love. It's just a danger when you're riding at your own risk. She said you are the perfect stranger. She said, baby, let's keep it like this. It's just a cakewalk, twisting, baby, yeah, step right up and say, hey, mister, give me two now, 'cause any two can play. And the big wheel keep on turning, neon burning up above, and I'm just high on the world. Come on and take a low ride.
I hate to stop there, but did you hear the fill that the drummer just put in there? I mean, there was some complexity to what he was doing there, and it was so in time. And I forgot to mention the girl that's the lead singer here. I haven't learned their names yet, but I will. Trust me, I will. Takes me a little while, but once I got them, I got them. I love her voice. Her voice sounds so great with this song, and she is definitely what I think is an alto as far as singing voice. You know, girls typically have alto or soprano voices, and she is definitely not singing in a high voice. So I love that. I love alto voices in women, and she's doing great. I love her voice. They're knocking this one out of the park too. You guys are right. You basically said whatever I go to listen to, and that's it completely.
Neon burning up above, and I'm just high on the world. Come on and take a low ride with me, girl, on the tunnel of love. Whoa, love. Well, it's been money from my soul on another worldly gig, money from my soul and another girl I dig. Another hustle just to make it big and rock away, rock away. Oh,
Look at them having fun.
rock away. And girl, it looks so pretty to me, just like it always did. Oh, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids. Yeah, girl, it looks so pretty to me, just like it always did. Oh, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids.
Hey, that was pretty tight right there. That little duh, duh, duh. Super tight. They are just such amazing musicians. And, I have to say, everything is in tune. Everything's just top notch, professionally done. Everybody's mic'd well. I mean, everybody's coming through so clear. I'm assuming that I think I read in your comments that Dad does a lot of that stuff, the miking, the audio editing, and Mom does the video editing. And I can tell you that Dad is doing a great job miking everybody up and everything. And goodness gracious, these kids look young, but this is a professional done group for sure. They are professionals.
Oh, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids.
I like how they're getting into it, moving around. She has a great feel.
She took off a silver locket. She said, remember me by this. She put her hand in my pocket. I got a keepsake and a kiss. And in the roar of dust and diesel, I stood and watched her walk away. I could have caught up with her easy enough, but something must have made me stay. And the big wheel keep on turning. Neon burning up above, and I'm just high on this world. Come on and take a low ride with me, girl, on the tunnel of love. Yeah, love, on the tunnel of love. Whoa, love.
I am really enjoying watching this girl play lead guitar. She is just digging this song so much. She's smiling. She's into it. The licks she was playing there are just stellar. They are just off the charts good. She has such a great feel for how that riff is supposed to sound, just the timing of it and just the overall sound and the emotional feel. She's got it down. These people, they are just so amazing. These young musicians are blowing my mind. They've got some professional instruments here too. I see a Fender name on all these guitars. I mean, that's one of the best names in the business there.
Yeah, now I'm searching through these carousels and the carnival arcades, searching everywhere from steeplechase to palisades, and any shooting gallery where promises are made to walk away, walk away, walk away, walk away from Cocos to Willie Bay, and to walk away.
What an example, right?
And girl, it looks so pretty to me, like it always did, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids. Girl, it looks so pretty to me, like it always did, like the Spanish city to me when we were kids.
Man. Listen to that. Wow. Look at those fingers go. Mind blowing. I don't even want to stop. I just want to keep listening. That is incredible piano playing. Oh, there's the names. I'm going to stop there just so that I can see these names. And I don't even know if I'm going to say them right. So the bass keyboard player is Naces. And you guys let me know down in the comment section if I'm saying it right. Nisha is lead guitar. She's the one that I was commenting about. Man, she is just off the charts, off the charts. So good. Holy cow, the feeling that she has. And she just, I mean, she closes her eyes and she gets into it. Oh, wow. Rhythm guitar and singing is Stacy, and Isaiah is that drummer. Guys are amazing. They are an amazing family band, Mission Souls. I just can't stop smiling. They are just amazing. The equipment that they're using is definitely professional grade. I even saw the snare drum head said Evans on it. And I know my son, that's what he wanted. His teachers recommended that. They are some of the best drum heads out there. You get such a great sound off of them. All those Fender guitars, the rolling keyboard, they have so much studio equipment. I mean, we're talking about thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars here in equipment. So they've got all of the equipment that a professional musician would want and need. They've definitely put in the time. I can't imagine their life. You guys told me in the comment section from the last one, from the jump video, they're homeschooled. So I have to assume, they spend their mornings doing schoolwork, and then they spend their afternoons practicing their instruments and making awesome music like they just did here in this video. What a life that would be, right? I mean, I'm kind of jealous. I wish I played like that when I was a kid and just had that kind of equipment and everything. So amazing. You guys are just so amazing, top notch. I wish I had the opportunity to work with kids like you in a group like this. I remember when I first started teaching, I tried to get a group started like this, but to find musicians like that back when I started teaching about 30 years ago, really wasn't around. Now we're starting to get those just from all the teachers working with kids, and obviously mom and dad working with these guys, you know. I mean, that's how you get to this point at such a young age. Fantastic job. You guys are amazing musicians. Keep up the fantastic work. I would love to talk to you guys sometime. I hope you see these videos. That would be so cool. I have so many questions, and fantastic playing. Thank you all for suggesting this one, and I'm going to keep watching and listening to them for sure. Please check out that description down below because I always have a link for the group's official YouTube channel. So there'll be a link for Mission Souls. There'll also be a link through Apple that you can go and click on it and buy their music and help support them. That's an awesome thing to do. Don't just watch and listen on YouTube. Go buy the music and support them that way. There's going to be links down below on ways you can support my channel. The reason why I say that is, you know, this is their copyrighted music. If they want to give me the rights to this video, that's great. I thank them so much. They did in the last video, so that was very gracious of them. I thank them so much. Thank you. But, you know, if they choose to keep it, or if Dire Straits wants the royalties from the video, they get it. And I never argue with that because it's their property. They put the time in. It's their thing. So those links down below, when you make any purchases at all, like for Bang Cookies, Sweetwater, anything off of Amazon, the companies send me a small commission. Doesn't cost you anything extra. So you get whatever you wanted, and then they send me a small commission. So that's why I bring up the description and those links down there. And if you make any purchases, I thank you for supporting the channel. Something you can do for the channel totally free. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, put a comment down below. I love reading what you guys have to tell me, and I need to learn more about the young people or the musicians in this group. So please let me know more things. I'd love to learn more about them. YouTube also makes suggestions for more videos to watch. Got a feeling it's going to be some more Mission Souls, so just click on one of those videos over there and keep watching. Thank you so much for being here today and watching and listening. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.